Forgive yourself. That's the only message I want to give everyone right now. Hi, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am fine and I hope that you are also doing very 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 good in your life. And as you can see, भाई मैं टी-शर्ट में पहनी हूँ, मेरे बालों में जुड़ा है, and I'm not looking very good right now, but I'm looking good, I know. Whatever massive, because I wanted to give this message and I just realized something. ठीक है, और मुझे ये बातें शेयर करनी थी, so मैंने वीडियो बनाना शुरू कर दिया. Don't mind my look. My message is important, and the message is forgive yourself. Few days ago, I watched a video जिसमें ऐसा बोल रहे थे that you have to forgive yourself for everything that you have done. And I मतलब मुझे ऐसे कभी लगा ही नहीं that I have to forgive myself. मतलब ये concept ही मुझे किसी ने नहीं बताया था. We always do some few things in our life जिसके वजह से we regret that thing. और हमें बुरा फील होता है कि हमने उस सिचुएशन में ऐसा एक्ट कर दिया. We shouldn't have talked in that way. ठीक है, हमें उस टाइम पे ये नहीं बोलना चाहिए था, and we shouldn't have reacted in that way. Or like we should have said that thing that time. And there are a lot of things that we regret in our life, and I do regret. See, I am a very practical person, and the decisions that I take are kind of very I think a lot about it, then I decide to take a decision. तो मुझे मोस्टली अपनी लाइफ में किसी चीज़ का भी रिग्रेट नहीं होता, किसी भी चीज़ का. ठीक है, क्योंकि मेरा तो ये भी है कि whatever happens happens for good. But there are some things that I have done जिसकी वजह से मुझे रिग्रेट होता है कि मुझे अपने पेरेंट्स से उस वे में बात नहीं करना चाहिए था, और मे बी मुझे उस सिचुएशन में थोड़ा और सेंसिबल होना चाहिए था, या मुझे उस टाइम कोई कमबैक दे देना चाहिए था, या उससे मुझे वहाँ पे नहीं रोना चाहिए था. देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स जो ऐसी ऐसी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं जो कहीं ना कहीं मेरे किसी ब्रेन के पार्ट में है. मैं हार्ट का पार्ट नहीं बोलूँगी, थैंक यू वेरी मच, बट मेरे दिमाग में है दैट आई शुडंट हैव डन दैट, और जिसका मुझे रिग्रेट है, और वो मुझे रिग्रेट हमेशा से था, अब नहीं रहेगा. बिकॉज आई सॉ अ वीडियो एंड उसमें बोला फॉरगिव योरसेल्फ. That was a tarot reading, okay, but I don't know why she said that. She said that it's okay, you did that thing, you forgive everyone around you, so why can't you forgive yourself? We are just human, we react in some way, we are emotional, we have emotions, that's why we react in situations, we do things, we feel things. And so forgive yourself. If you talk, if you said something bad about someone in certain situation where you were hurt, forgive yourself, because उस टाइम तब भी तुम extreme थे. I will give you one example of mine because I always do that. ठीक है, there was a time when I my mother said something to me and I responded in very harsh way, जिसका रिग्रेट मुझे हमेशा से था, और कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा तो रहेगा ही कि मुझे वैसा नहीं करना चाहिए था, मुझे वैसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए था. But after watching that video, I realized that I was going through intense emotion those days. I was feeling very down. There was a lot of things in my life. I was very hurt. That's why I said those words. That's why I reacted in that, way. So I also deserve forgiveness. I always give justification about others behavior, that she have मतलब उसने ऐसा किया होगा तो उसके पीछे ये रीजन हो सकता है, या उसने वैसा किया होगा तो उसके पीछे वो रीजन हो सकता है. But I never do that for myself. I always feel guilty for those things that I have done, or the things that I shouldn't. I always say कि why I did that, I shouldn't have, I should have acted in matured way. I never think that maybe I did that because I was suffering also, I was hurt also. So after watching that video, I really sat and I was analyzing my situation. I talked to myself. I do that a lot. So and I realized कि yes, we all deserve our forgiveness also, because sometimes like this, especially हमारी generation है, there are a lot of things that goes in our head. We overthink, we take stress, there are academic stress, friends are not good, and distractions, and a lot of things that is going in our life, and sometimes we react, we do the wrong things. I'm not talking about very very wrong things, but yeah, in sometimes we do the things that we shouldn't, and we all feel guilty about that, no matter how much we pretend that we don't care, हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, but हमें फर्क पड़ता है. We cry at night because we feel very bad about the situation. That's why I'm saying it's okay. It's okay. Just forgive yourself. Okay. You are also human. Maybe you are, or you were in very much pain when you did that. You were hurted. So yes, forgive yourself. Give yourself another chance. You always do that for others. Why can't you do it for yourself? Forgive yourself for the things that you've done. You were also in pain. You were hurt. You were in trouble. Your head was not in the right place. You were struggling, and you only know that. तुम्हारे पास कोई था नहीं वो चीज़ एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए. That's why you were frustrated. That's why वो तुमने चिल्ला दिया, तुमने कुछ बोल दिया. So forgive yourself. Don't feel guilty. Let it go. I will see you, and this was all in this video. I will meet you in next video, and I will share something again. तब तक के लिए take care of yourself, love yourself, choose yourself, and yes, forgive yourself. See you. Tata, bye bye, and yes, don't forget